Hello, it's the Crap Goth. My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're going to get. Today I have a package all the way from America and I have no clue what's in it, so stick around to find out. Hello! So yes, today is an unboxing video and this has come from KORI, who is in New Jersey in the United States of America, which is really cool. Now KORI's someone I've been talking to for quite a long time. This box has actually been here since Halloween. I'm a little bit behind on unboxing videos at the moment. I'm also filming in the middle of the day, so if you guys hear the traffic or anything else, I'm really sorry. Also the light keeps going bright, dark, bright, dark. UK weather is a bit wappy. Right, okay, so this big box I've got here, make sure there's no addresses. There we go. It's quite a large box and yeah, I've got no clue what's inside it apart from it says Halloween on the top. So right, let's crack it on. Let's open this one. I can't speak today, I need to put my teeth back in. Right, okay, so I undid the parcel tape just so I can have a look. There we go, got a huge box full of stuff here. I'm not quite sure what is in it. Oh my gosh, oh I love this stuff, don't you love this stuff? It pops dead loud. Hang on. God, I used to jump up and down on these in the kitchen. The kids love it. We actually do save most of it, to be honest with you, and reuse it again. Right, okay, so I've got the packaging out of the way and now you can see there's some stuff in here and I literally haven't seen any of this before. So start off with, yes, it's Halloween stuff, but we can always use Halloween stuff. I might be a crap goth, but I'm still a goth and we do love the spooky stuff all year round in our house. Apart from in here, this is my girly studio. Right, okay, so first of all, I'll put this box on the floor, be a bit easier. First of all, we have, oh my God, this is so cool. This is for Spanky. It is absolutely for Spanky. I'm not going to say what it is because he's working in the room next to me and he'll actually hear me and I want to show him after. We're a little bit late, but we can use this every year. How cool is that? I've never even seen one of these before. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Wow. That is, oh my God. And that is cool. Oh my gosh, KORI, thank you so much. We're gonna have to go and get another one now just so we can try this. Love this. Thank you ever such a lot. Literally, I'll go and give it him as soon as I finish filming. Like I say, he's at work. Right, okay. And the next one is, no way, it's a Nightmare Before Christmas pumpkin thing. Like you push it into a pumpkin. I've never seen these. Oh, I'm gutted now. I want to go out and get a pumpkin so I can use this. But, you know, I can still do it. Or I can make a really big clay pumpkin because I've got quite a lot of clay as well. And this is an Oogie Boogie pumpkin decorating kit. It includes moulded pushing pieces. And you can paint your pumpkin and you push the pieces into it. Looks a bit like a Mr. Potato Head then. How cool is that? There you go. It shows you on the back. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. And this set includes 2 eyes, 2 eyebrows, 1 mouth, 1 green paint, and a sponge brush, so literally everything you need. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. This is awesome. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is so cool. Right, okay then, we've got some more items in here as well. There is, oh, this is happy birthday, Pixie. So my birthday was on the 23rd of October. We're now the 20-something of November, so I'm a little bit late. Like I said, I'm a little bit behind. And we have here some stickers. It looks like we've got some axolotl stickers. I love axolotls. I've even got one tattooed on me as well, which is cool. And I'm going to grab these stickers out now. And these are, so we have a little high top Ducon sneakers. There we go. That's really cute. I used to have a pair of Converse like that. And we've got a little axolotl on a laptop. So super cute. And donut headphones. I would eat them. And a little bear. He looks a little bit like Really Kuma. That is so adorable. Love stickers, and I have a big stationery wagon just next to me, which I'm going to put all these into. Thank you so much. I have a card. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh wow, this says Santoro as well. I wonder if that's the same people. I collect something called Gorgeous, like Gorjuss. If you've never seen it, check it out. It's really cool. I've got dolls of theirs and stickers and all sorts, and that's by a company called Santoro. Don't know if it's the same people though. Right, okay, so this is Happy Birthday, Pixie. Oh my gosh. Bit late, but still really cool. I'm so sorry that I'm a bit lapsed in opening stuff. Oh, this looks so pretty. I think it's a pop-up card. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, look at this. How awesome is that? This says, Pixie, may your birthday be filled with sweetness. Love, KORI. Oh my God, that is adorable. There's the back. How nice is that? And I wonder how do you have to just lift it up? Oh, it's got like lots of pieces on the bottom. On the bottom here, like I think you have to like fan it out and... Oh, how do I do this? Very carefully is how I do it. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my God, there's cinnamon swirls and cupcakes and cream horns. Oh my God, that is amazing. Just look how beautiful that is. That is ever so pretty. I'm going to keep that in the cabinet. I've got a cabinet just here. My light's gone dark. I don't know if it has for you guys. I've got a glass cabinet just here. And I'm going to put this inside my cabinet to keep it safe. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Put it there for now. Oh, that is so nice. Thank you. Right, I'm even going to keep the envelope because that's really pretty. Okay, we've got some more things here. And oh my gosh, we've got another one. Happy Halloween. I keep these envelopes and everything. Just love keeping stuff. Thank you so much for this. I think cards are nice as well because you can keep them. I keep every single card I ever get. It's ever so cool. I've got boxes full of them. Right, okay, so we've got this really beautiful flower card in a beautiful purple vase. And, oh, I'm going to pause the video to see if I can read it on camera because sometimes people don't like it. Hang on. It's fine. Okay, so this says, she actually sent it on wrote this on the 30th of August, so I'm a little bit late, sorry. This says, Pixie, enclosed are a few things for Halloween and birthday cards for you and Astara. Do you remember the picture I shared with the Nightmare Before Christmas jack-o'-lantern? The Nightmare Before Christmas jack-o'-lantern. You now have two. Well, the pushing decorating kits, plus, I can't say it now, Star Wars, and My Little Pony and Hocus Pocus. The first coat of paint takes a little while to dry on the pumpkins. I also included a carvable faux pumpkin. I can see a pumpkin, but I didn't know you could carve it. I use them with my pumpkin pushing kits and they last forever. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. I use a chopstick to make the holes for the pieces. Such a good idea. Also, I thought you would like the Hocus Pocus journal. I know it's August now. It's November. I'm a bit late. But I love Halloween too. I hope you can add these to your festivities. Love, Carrie Ann. It is Halloween every day here, so it's all good. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for that card. And okay then, so, oh my God, Astara is going to shit a brick on this one. That is so awesome. I'm not even going to give it a sod it. No, I will, of course I will. That is so nice. It's a Pinkie Pie. I've got Pinkie Pie tattooed. Show you, honestly. Look. Don't know what the face was for then. But yeah, look. Oh my God. I love My Little Pony. Can you see? Hang on. Let's stand up there. Oh, there we go. Oh, Moomins, obviously. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, she is going to love that. That is adorable. I've never even seen these before, so thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look. That is so cute. Oh, Carrie Ann, thank you so, so much. Okay, so she mentioned this. I'm going to show you now. This is so awesome. This is Hocus Pocus. If you've not seen the film, please do go and watch it. I didn't enjoy the second one. This is Hocus Pocus 2. I think they're doing a third one now. The first one, classic, absolutely brilliant. The second one, I mean, it was good, but I didn't think it was as good as the first one. And I don't think they should bring out a third one, but leave it the originals. I think it just makes it better. But this is the Sanderson Witch Museum, Salem, Massachusetts. I'd love to go to Salem. On All Hallows Eve, when the moon is round, summon us up from under the ground. There you go. That is awesome. I like that a lot. And it's a lined journal. Oh, look at the inside, look. I put a spell on you. Oh my gosh, that is so brilliant. Thank you ever such a lot. I always love things like this because I can write poetry, I can write video ideas, I can write recipes from you guys that you send, all sorts. So thank you so much. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, we've got another thing in here now. Oh, now I'm not going to open this because this is for Astara. This says, happy birthday, Astara. Now her birthday was in September. And I think it's another pop-up one, so you guys can see that, but she's put little unicorn stickers as well. Astara is super girly and loves unicorns and pink, so I'll give her that when she finishes school, which is in about 3 hours time. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, no way, we've got more. Jack! Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. There is a Jack Skellington one. Oh God, this is brilliant. Again, paint your pumpkin, stick the eyes in, stick the mouth in, and everything else. I honestly, yeah, I mean, I've seen like basic fang kits because KORI used to use like big spiky teeth, but I've never seen these. These are awesome, thank you. This is dead exciting. There's another one. Shut up. Oh my God. It's one of the Sanderson sisters. This is amazing. I am so going to be trying to source artificial pumpkins now, the same as this one that's down here. So I can put this in one, the Jack in one. Oh my God, the Oogie Boogie. This, I love it. I absolutely love that. And it says here, I put a spell on you on the cauldron. And this is Sarah Sanderson. There we go. Oh my gosh, which is it Sarah Jessica Parker who played that one? Oh my gosh, they are so cool. Thank you ever such a lot. I've never ever seen them ever. And finally, a big pumpkin, the big faux pumpkin. I can't believe you can carve that. This is, oh my gosh. Do you know, if there's space, I might do a Sanderson sister on one side and then one of the Nightmare Before Christmas on the other. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. This is so awesome. So this is hide and eek carvable pumpkin. Honestly, never ever seen one of these before, ever. I love it. Thank you so much. Wow, spooky unboxing. Okay, and that is the end of that one. It was a nice short video. This is a brilliant box. Carrie Ann, thank you so much. I love it and I can't wait to do this. Thank you ever such a lot. No doubt you guys will see it like somewhere in the background of one of my videos as well. Thank you for everything. I'll message you as soon as I stop filming. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please do hit that subscribe button. Also tick that little bell icon so you know every time a new video goes up, which is roughly about every 3 days or so. Yeah, really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me waffle. And yeah, see you all soon. Happy belated Halloween, bitches.